What should you do when your water breaks? Water break or leaking can be an early sign of labor, post which you may actually go into labor. Now let's start with understanding how to identify a water break, because this is the most common question patients ask me. Doctor, will I ever know that I'm leaking? How do I differentiate it between passing urine or peeing and the water break? Well, there is only one major differentiating feature between passing urine and leaking. So when you try to pass urine, you can actually control it. You can actually hold your urine back. But when it's leaking, it's an involuntary thing. And when you stand, you can feel something wet in the inner thighs and you have zero control over whatever is leaking. So you can always try and put a pad and see for a couple of minutes, let's say 1 hour or 2 hours, and see if the pad is getting wet. If the pad is getting wet, it means you're leaking, and identify the color of the water, whether it's straw colored, whether it is clear colored, or whether it's blood tinged, or whether it is green colored. So when it's green colored, it means the baby has passed motion inside and you may have to visit the hospital almost immediately. When the water is clear, the first thing that I usually tell my patients to do is pack your hospital bag, call your gynecologist, inform her that your water broke, and start to the hospital almost immediately. Yes, I do see some birth enthusiasts or birthing centers encouraging the women to stay at home even after water breaks and just keep tracking their contractions and all, but I wouldn't really prefer doing that, because there are so many other things which can happen along with water rupture. And one major thing that can happen when someone who has large volume of amniotic fluid, which is also called as polyhydramnios, is immediately after the water breaks, there is a chance of cord prolapsing out and the baby going into distress. So it's quite essential for us to monitor the baby's heartbeat immediately after the water breaks. So as soon as your water breaks, just walk into the hospital, pack your hospital bags and just walk into the hospital. Not when many women have immediate contractions after rupture of amniotic fluid. It can take some time. So yes, you are not going to deliver in the next 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but it is always better to go to the hospital almost immediately as soon as your water breaks. Thank you very much.